Size 1.28. Question A. A conductor with conductor A with a cavity as shown in figure 13 1.36 A is given a charge Q. Show that the entire charge must appear on the outer surface of the conductor. Question B. Another conductor B with charge Q is inserted into the cavity, keeping B insulated from A. Show that the total charge on the outside surface of A is Q, capital Q plus small q, figure 1.36b. Question C. A sensitive instrument is to be shielded from the strong electrostatic field in its environment. Suggest a possible way. This is the figure regarding the question, figure 1.36. Exercise 1.28. There is a conductor, irregular shaped conductor. There is again a cavity A. A charge Q is given. Charge Q is given to this conductor. First we have to prove that all the charge has to be distributed over the surface of conductor. There is no charge inside the conductor. There is no charge inside the conductor. यहाँ इस पूरे रीजन में कोई भी चार्ज नहीं होगा. All the charge has to be distributed over the surface of conductor. Surface of conductor पर चार्ज इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाना है. अब कैसे देखते हैं. Now consider a Gaussian surface. A Gaussian surface inside the conductor, लेकिन enclosing the cavity. This is the Gaussian surface. I draw it irregular shaped. This is a Gaussian surface. Now by Gauss law, total electric flux linked with the surface given by surface integral of electric field and area vector. Surface integral of electric field, मैं area vector गलत बोल गया, is given by q by epsilon naught. Epsilon naught is the electrical permittivity of free space. ठीक है. Now inside the conductor electric field is 0. There is no electric field. There is no electric field in this region where I have drawn this Gaussian surface. So q by epsilon naught equals 0, hence q equals 0. There is no charge inside this Gaussian surface, and if I draw this Gaussian surface just at the surface, just below the surface, open surface of the conductor, the result will same. It means there is no charge inside the conductor. This is to be proved. And the second thing proved, what? If another positive charge is kept inside the cavity, keeping isolated. This is the irregularly shaped conductor. It is charged with positive plus q, or we have proved that this charge has to be distributed over the surface. There is no charge inside the conductor. There is cavity. Now I have put another charge plus q. this charge is not touching anywhere inside the cavity. So due to induction, equal and opposite charge gets developed on the inner surface of the cavity minus q. Similarly, at the same time, the same charge, opposite charge, is developed at the farther end. What is the farther end of cavity? The outer surface is the farther end of this cavity. So a positive charge q is developed over the outer surface. So net charge on the outer surface now becomes capital Q plus small q, where the charge on the inner surface of this conductor, that is along the cavity, is minus q.